Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos using Camtasia. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, tips, and strategies so you can create an online affiliate marketing business, because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure you smash that bell so you're notified when I put out my weekly videos. So I want to show you how you can add text to your videos really easily using Camtasia. So I'm in my video. I have a small video clip here. And what I want to do is go to annotations, go to this menu, click on it, and it'll come up with the different options you have. So you can see you have different bubbles, thought bubbles, you have a box with text, or you just have plain text. If I click on this, you can and go to all, you can see all of the different styles that you have. So you have different options. You have arrows, you have ovals, you have different thought bubbles. So right now I just want to show you how you could add basic text. So there you have two different options. One is you have a smaller font or a larger font. This is just really to save you time. Once you click on one, you can change the font size, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to click on this, drag it over to your video, and then you'll see, if I scroll over to the bottom here, right here is where it added the text. So right here. So what I want to do, if I want to edit this, I have to actually double click on it. And this is what confused me at first. I used to click on it and start typing, and it wouldn't do anything, but you have to double click on this. So to edit that, make sure that this pointer is over the text, because if it's over here, obviously you can't edit it. So you have to make sure that this is over there, and then you double click on this. So if I want to double click on this, I can say this is text. Now once I click off of this, this text is set. So if I want to play around with the different properties of this text, I would highlight it. So I make sure that this text box is highlighted, and I come over here and you can see the different properties. So right now the font is set to this, and if I wanted to change that, I can click on this arrow and you can see all of the different fonts that you have access to. So let's just make this for now. And you can make it regular, you can make it italics, bold, italic. You can do different things with the size here with this little slider, so I can make it larger, make it smaller. You can use different, over here you can do different alignments. So right now it's centered. If I want it left justified, right justified, or if I want it centered, here you can play around with the spacing. I don't have any other text behind it or above or below it. So if I add something, let's add this example. And then right here, this just messes with the vertical spacing, and this is the horizontal spacing in between when we click off and the words. You can see right here, this makes it really wide, and this makes it really narrow. So this is something you do with the horizontal spacing. And then right here, this is your color. So if I click on this, you can see I have different colors. So let's make this, I don't know, red. So I click on red, and now I have red text. So that is how you can add the simple text to your videos. Now let's say I wanted to add more text but with a box. Well, what I would do is come over here and then drag it over to my video. And then over here you can see, again, I have my text properties, which is under A, but now I have a new button right here, and that is the properties of this box. So I click on this. You can see right now I have white. If I wanted to change that, I could make it, let's say, blue, and I could make it a rectangle. I can make it a speech bubble. I can make it a thought bubble. I can drag and drop or drag it over here. And one of the nice things about Camtasia too is these little alignment bars. I can change the outline if I want an outline. So right now you can't see it because it's pretty thin, but if I make it thick, now you can see that I have an outline, and again, can change the color of that, make it yellow. And then if I wanted to go back here and change the text, I would go back to the A, and then here, let's say I wanted to make this white, and I wanted to make it a little bit bigger. So Camtasia makes it really easy for you to add text to your videos. And if you want to learn how to do a full video edit using Camtasia. I'll leave a link up above for a video that I did. So that's it for today's video. Like I said, it's really easy to add text to your YouTube or other videos using Camtasia. Now, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up so I know to create more content like this. And like I said, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'm putting out content weekly on how to create an online affiliate marketing business. And leave me a comment down below if you have any questions on how to use Camtasia or other videos regarding Camtasia that I can put out to help you become a better video editor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Our annotations to your Camtasia video. Really easy to edit your videos and add Camtasia. I have a video which is, I'll leave a link, which is